Vice President Chiwenga has reinforced government's commitment to industrial growth and economic transformation in Zimbabwe. He visited Manicaland province, touring Verify Gases, a key company supplying industrial and medical gases to sectors like mining, manufacturing, and healthcare. Zarabela Mashkoblan Kwanchinzi, Manicaland province in seventh heaven after Chiwenga's visit shows government commitment to support industrial growth. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Now, more than Kwanchinzi, Chiwenga's visit aimed to appreciate Verify Gases operations, assess its productivity, and reaffirm government support. He praised the company's progress, attributing it to effective government policies under the Second Republic. Verify Gases contributes to job creation, value addition, and the domestic production capacity, aligning with Zimbabwe's development agenda. The visit highlights successes under National Development Strategy 1 (NDS-1), continued focus on scaling up production under NDS-2. Chiwenga emphasized partnerships between government and the private sector for sustainable economic development. The visit signals government's hands-on approach to monitoring development projects and supporting local industries. Residents of Manicaland province say they feel like they are in seventh heaven after Chiwenga's visit. They appreciate the stance against corruption and his demand for a referendum on Bill number 3, giving citizens a chance to have their say. Doma developments ari kuda panguva ino chionekwa kunzi aiwa Chiwenga oita gobhora chaiyo. Manicaland aiwa yoya ichimupraiza ichiti Chiwenga number 1. Pena kuma section medu zafungura enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Awa pena kuma section medu zafungura enyu. So subscribe or like. Mauchete nekutina on the bell icon.